Car fire blankets. In a previous video, we've shown you all about them, what they do, what they look like, etc, etc. But you may be wondering, how heavy is it? How easy is it to use? So I grabbed a couple of staff from our office. They were a bit shocked, took them outside, and we filmed them with no practice in having a go at using a car fire blanket. Do you want to see how it got on? Watch this. So here we go. Oh, hey, that's my car. Oi, they better not be setting fire to it. Okay, this is Stu, and that's Tasha. They have read the instructions on the side. Put it down, empty it out, roll it out in front of the car, grab the long tabs. You see those are very long, and just walk backwards, just dragging it over the car like that. Once it's done, all the way back, fully out, walk around and kick it in. So tuck it in like you know, when you're tucking your kids in bed, tuck it in, and there you go. That is it. It is to suppress a fire. Now you're thinking, blimey, if we practice it like they do, I wonder if we'd be able to get one back in the bag. So here they go. Second challenge. Get it back in the bag. And look at that. Just tuck it up, organised, and rolled up, back in a bag, ready for a real fire. Easy, eh? All the instructions are on the bag. And it was that easy. And they really, really were genuinely picked out of the office and sent out. You should have heard the arguments. But you can do it too. Now, to find out more, there's a video up here to follow, but I just want to cover about the price. Vigil car fire blanket is by far the lowest priced one on the market. Now, we priced it very, very specifically. It has the same type of material as some very, very famous names, and it's very, very possible that the material's made in the same factory. It's the exact same specification. But we decided not to take advantage of the new scary fire product and price it at the max and make loads of money while you can. We went straight in, and that is why our price is so much lower than others. To see the full range, as I say, follow the links.